Hey guys, we're back to another disciplinary trading session. And if you hear any noise in the background, that's my kids in the back having fun. But hold on, I'm just setting up the TV for them. That snail sure is acting weird. It's like he's cheating again. But anyway, let's tap in and let's see what we're looking at today. The market is open. Um, I do see SRM. Let's see how that's moving. So is this the right stock? SRM. Okay, let me see. It's popping up the wrong stock. I don't understand why. SRM. I'm just looking at the different stocks that we have on watch. We have OP. We have this on watch. We do have SRM. I don't know why this is not popping up on the screen. Let's try one more time. SRM. Let's see if it's this one. Okay, this is it right here. SRM. All right, so market is open. So far, it's making a decent move. It's holding up. There's some resistance around. Okay, it's blowing through the resistance. Well, that's nice. We're getting a little pullback. And I'm looking to potentially take a short position. It does look strong. But if anything, we'll take a quick scalp short position. Let's see. There is some resistance. I'm going to enter at 620 if we... They're still pushing up. 620 will be my entry for potential short position. Okay, I got in short. Okay, nice. Okay, I like that. We have some resistance here. And we get a follow through. So I'm going to take off of the position. Wow. Took some profit. Break even on the rest. I didn't like the way how that popped up right there, but either way, I'm gonna break even on the rest, which my average is 627, as you can see. So 627. So let's see what this will do. So I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. All right, so it took me out. That's perfectly fine. All right, so we got some consolidation here going on. Question is, will it hold up or will it continue to break down? So we got some support right here at 6. Can it hold above 6? Okay, broke through a little bit. I can potentially look for a long position, but I have to hold above 6. It has to hold above 6. Can we retest that 6 for a push up? All right, so we got a continuation on the downside. Could have potentially held, but that is not a part of my strategy. I'm going off the price action. So whatever price action is telling me, I'm going based off that. So we hit a low of some 565. We got a bounce. Okay, we're gonna retest 6. Can we retest that 6 with some strength? Look like it's failing a little bit. Still more selling, so I'm gonna wait for a little bit and see how everything plays out. We are within a range of $6, between $6 and let me see if I could give you a box. We're within a range between 6 and 6. I mean, between $6 and 567, around that price range. But yeah, so let's see if we can either break out that range and potentially get another entry. So we still got some selling going on, but it look like we're gonna get. I feel like we're gonna get some support here. I don't mind scalping if we can hold above these range. All right, so it broke through. So it look like we're gonna get a continuation down to the downside. So, um, let's see if there's anything else that's moving. I'm looking at my watch list. Let me see. We lost connection for a bit, but that's perfectly fine. Let's tap in. One thing about trading, you never know what's gonna happen. So you just have to always stay prepared, stay ready. All right, so more likely we're gonna go to the price range of 520. If we get 520, I'll potentially take a quick bounce trade. But let's see. There's some resistance. Over 40, I'll probably take an entry. Probably. Yeah, I could have taken it, but we'll wait. Let's see if we can hold these range. If we do, then I'll take a bounce. Well, a dip. Okay. We're at 520. There's a big seller at 534. Question is, can we break through that seller? I guess not. This is dropping more than I expected. Let's see what else is moving. Above 5, I'll take entry. Okay, I'll take an entry. Average is 501. I feel like there should be some support here. Probably not. If not, 491 is my exit. My hand is on the trigger. Can we get a bounce? 491 is my stop. Average is 501. Okay, so I'm out for that one. If it goes try to go back above 5, I'll try to take another entry. And this will be my last trade. Okay, so I took an entry, average is 5. Okay, nice. Can we get a continuation? Average is 5. My out will be 490. Okay, come on, let's get a continuation. Get a continuation. Okay, so it's struggling right there. So I'll take that. I'll close out that position. It's taking too long to continue. We might get another pullback and then continue up. Okay, now I want to go, but whatever. It is what it is. So let's see what this does. So far, what I took 3 trades. There should be 2 winners and 1 loser. Let's see if we can hold above these range. If we can hold above that 520, I'll potentially look to make another entry to the upside over 530 potentially. Okay, so we got over that 530. Would have been an okay entry. But let's see if this pull back a little bit, and then if we can get an entry on the dip, or the pullback, I should say, for the move back up. It's holding up pretty well. But just have to be a little bit patient to get the best entry. Wow, it's holding up pretty well. After this one, take my last trade, and then I'm gonna call it a day. And then we'll come back tomorrow. Like I said, this is not necessarily about making profit. Like if you guys don't know, this is a demo account, paper trading account. Do not want to use real live money to be practicing my discipline or building my disciplinary muscle. So we're gonna be using a paper trading account or a demo account, whatever you want to call it, to practice. So far, I feel like I'm doing good. If you've been watching my other videos, just give me a grade. If you guys have watched my other video, give me a grade on each video that you've seen and tell me how you feel like I'm doing in terms of if I'm doing super great, A plus. If I'm doing great, A. And if I'm doing so-so, B. You know the grading scale. So just grade me and let me know how I'm doing. I feel like I'm doing perfectly fine. There's always room for improvement, but I think I'm doing okay so far. Just let me know in the comment section. So, like I said, it's not about really making profit. It's really getting my disciplinary muscle, in tip-top shape. All right, anyway, let's see. It looks like we're trying to make a move. If anything, I'll see if we can retest above this 551. There is some resistance up there. If we get a pullback for the retest, okay, it's testing 50. I want to see a pullback. And it looked like we're not going to get that pullback as yet. Okay. There's a big seller there. Now we're going to retest that 50. Can we hold above that 50? I do feel like we're going to test that 50 and then try to retest above these price of 570. And it should probably, it might fail, but I'll take a stab at it if we do get a retest. Does the buyers come back in? There's some sellers there. All right, so I took an entry. Average is 70. Bad fill. I do see some resistance. There's some buyers there. Nice. And I'm gonna take that. I did see a big seller at 80, and now it's pushing. But either way, I got in, did what I said I was gonna do, and that's all that matters. All right, so that's the end of the video, guys. Like I said, grade me and let me know how you think I did in terms of follow my rules and my discipline aspect. But that was a nice trade. But either way, I'm following my rules, and like I said before, this is not about profit, it's about following my rules. In my first video, I stated that I am a profitable trader. I just need to work on my discipline. And that's what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Please like, share, and comment in the comment section, and just join me on my journey in terms of being disciplined. A lot of traders focus more of the profit aspect or playing offense, and we focus less on the defense aspect. So right now I'm practicing my defense, and I think I'm doing very well. But either way, end of the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and join me, like, subscribe, and I'll see you. Peace.